Welcome back on Anything That Moves. Here I am, Miss Moneymaker, giving this to you today. Google, we're just going to talk about that a little bit because the date is coming up. The date is coming up, and for everybody, interested in Google who needs to know this, hey, we only have like 4 days left. What is that? We'll get into it. Okay, I'm just going to, a brief overview of Google, okay? So the stock. Alrighty, so here we see in the past, let me just get my marker. We would hit this, it's like the $150 price target. We would hit that and we would bounce down, it would reject. Okay, we had some support here on the 50-day moving average. We bounced up, that was beautiful. And then the next time we got to this area, you see these tall green candle, like tall green soldiers, right? It pierced through the $150 mark. And so now we're nicely above it. Now, if you want to go into Google and you're not already into the stock, like you want to buy some, like right now we're up here in clean air, we're trading at $169 around here. And the market didn't open today, so it could shoot even higher by the time I release this video. But for me, I would like to buy in some support. So since we bounced off of that level before and we hesitated a little bit here, right? I would buy around here. I will let it dip down and buy here. So buying in this zone, hold on, let me make that a little, okay, buying in this zone, in this level, okay, that would be nice for some support. So you don't buy and it just drops on you. So, anything below, 155, so $150 to 155, that would be nice if it pulls back. Now, sometimes, when you're like, well, will it ever pull back and all that? Well, look, it's pulled back before. It's pulled back before. But anytime I feel like that and I want to just scratch the itch, take the edge off, just buy a little bit. So let's just say, just for an example, let's just say your full position was 10 shares, okay? So just buy 1 share right now at the current price. Just so you feel like, okay, I scratched the itch, I'm in, and then you could just dollar cost average your way in time. So if it goes up, you're okay, well, I would like a pullback, but you could just try to wait a little bit, just try, so you could dollar cost average yourself in. That's my point, in case it pulls back on you, okay? Because Google's not going anywhere. And and you have to see how the market's going to trade. But this is the performance. Who doesn't like this? Some nice performance for the week, the month, the 3 month, 6 month, year to date, year, right? Scroll down here some more. The technicals are giving us a buy signal here. All right. So we like that. And then here, what are the analysts saying? Okay. The analysts are saying buy. So, not financial advice. You get in when you feel is right, but just have to make sure you're aware that we could pull back and touch that support level. Why do I say that? Because usually stocks do that. Usually they revisit a level. Like, let me just draw a line here. Let's just say the same thing I'm saying now. Okay, so you see here how it touched there and it rejected? It touched this area and it rejected. Then it came up, went up high. This is kind of like where we would be now. Went up high, it goes up high, blue sky. But see, bloop, 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 came back to that level after a certain point. See, it came back and then it went back up. Okay, and then later what? Came back. So sometime it's going to, let me just get my marker. Hold on. I'm going to get the draw a trend line for you so you can see that better. For the people who cannot see that as well, what I'm saying. Okay, so you see how this was resistance, this price point, this line, okay, the $50 area in the past. But once it got above it, you're like, oh, will it just go? Will it just keep flying? Like right now where we are, will it just keep flying? Well, the odds are it'll drop back to the same area where it touched before. It'll drop back again. And then, see, will it just keep going? Will it keep flying? It may drop back again. Okay? with time. So it's not like, don't feel like, oh, I'll never catch it again. Well, no, with time, doop 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 doop, it'll probably drop back to this level and then go again. So, just do what you feel. So I wanted to show you, what does Google look like for the year? How much are we up? 52%. That is adorable. That is cute. And we know that, let me just change the color over here. Google is the world's third largest tech company, right? And we saw Mr. Man before. I've shown his photo in the and on this channel before. Okay, he's making it happen. All right, this is our like man who's making everything happen over there, CEO. All right, so CEO of Google, making it happen, making it rain. No one can argue about that. So now, what's happening though? All right, let me just show you this. Hold on. All right, our little, like I'm not gonna call it a war, but Open AI. Okay, so they plan to announce there's a competitor. Is there? Okay, well, we'll see. Okay, so Open AI. So now, first, let me tell that's Microsoft's back, Open AI. Okay, you see me down here, right? Okay, they're working on a product to compete with Google's Perplexity. I like that name, Perplexity. It sounds cute, sounds adorable. I like it, right? So that's what's going on. I'm going to show you Perplexity in this video too, as well. Okay, so OpenAI, they declined to comment. Yeah, don't comment, people. Get it all straight. But the announcement could be timed a day before the Tuesday start of Google's annual I/O conference. Whoa, smack in the face. They're like, we're taking you down. Anyway, let me just go down here and let you know Perplexity has a valuation of 1 billion. Boom, boom, 1 billion. 1 billion. Buh. That's with a B. Let's make the B sound together. Buh. All right? So, let's go to see. Okay. Here we go. This is Perplexity, people. This is Perplexity. Okay? Now I'm a technical analysis person. So, I'm just curious. So, I asked, Perplexity will we have I'm not putting it in the air, but okay. So, oh gosh, look, they give this guy. Look at him giving the dagger eyes at us. Giving the dagger eyes probably at this guy, right? Oh God, Jerome Powell, go somewhere, man. Go somewhere. Alrighty. So, significant risk. Thank you, Perplexity. Alrighty. I'm giving everybody a little bit of time to read that. All right. They're always saying we're going to have a recession. And then where is it? Where is the recession? Like, if we're having it, when is it happening? All right. Either which way, Miss Moneymaker makes money. Doesn't matter. So anyway, just showing you this right here. So this is Perplexity. This is how you use it. It's cute. So now, is this better than Chat GPT and all that? So anyway, let's just keep it moving. Don't want to make this video long. So back to Google on May 14th. They're going to have their conference and everything. Live keynotes, on-demand sessions and everything. So just want to make sure everybody saw that. We have 4 days. I just want to leave you with a quote. All righty. So Carol Burnett said, "Only I can change my life." 4 days to the conference, people. "Only I can change my life. No one else can do it for me." That's Carol Burnett. All right? So only you can change your life. Hey, no one else can do it for you. You got to make it happen, people. Let's make it happen. This is Miss Moneymaker. Anything that moves. Bye for now.